Today we are going to be doing a little Shein unboxing. I just placed a big order. I wasn't for sure if this was going to be my last order for a while or not, so I placed quite a big order. And I got some jewelry, some accessories, and I thought I would just do a little unboxing and show you what I got. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and like, comment, share this with your friends. I'll be posting every week, so you don't want to miss out. But let's get started. So I got this necklace. It is kind of like a boho type, a western style, if you will. It is all one piece. Now I will say it does kind of get like wrapped up in itself, if you know what I mean. So that's kind of irritating. I kind of like to layer necklaces that are all separate pieces, because when they start getting tangled with themselves, I get like very irritated. Necklace right here. It's pretty simple. White. I tend to have a lot of gold. Gold is my color. The little white necklace. I thought it'd be really nice for summer, and it does have like little hints of gold in there. Green pendant necklace. A stone in there stuck together. I am a big ankle bracelet girl, and I like one on each leg, one on each ankle. I don't like one, I like two. So this is a good place to just get these, because if they break, tarnish, whatever, you just order another one. They're like $1 or $2. So I had little Cuban links for a couple years, and then I decided let's change it up. And then I got this little tennis bracelet. You can tighten it right there. I do like that because I have really tiny wrists, so a lot of bracelets are really big for me, so I can tighten this as much as I want to. And then I got this in the rose gold color because it matches my watch that I wear, and my watch is like sparkly, so I like everything extra sparkly. You know what I mean? I'm a very sparkly kind of girl. And then I got this really, I don't even want to say cute, just like nuts. I got this little belt here. I thought it would be really nice for the summertime. Layer it up like however you want, but I just thought it was precious. I will say, I mean, it's pretty lightweight, so I can see this probably breaking pretty easily, if I'm gonna be honest with you, but it's whatever. I literally think I paid a few dollars. I got this belt. I wanted something a little bit more western. I'm definitely trying to incorporate a little bit more of a western, boho, whatever kind of style this year into my summer wardrobe. I'm a Kentucky girl, believe it or not. You can tell from the accent. I grew up in the bluegrass state, and my whole life I literally tried to fight the countryside of me. But the older I'm getting, I'm like, you know what, like some of the country style is kind of cute. So I'm of course gonna put my own little flair on it, because why wouldn't I? 3-piece belt set. I've got 3. We've got a cream, we've got a black, and we've got a brown. Just basic, really thin. It's got lots of holes in it, so it's pretty good with the sizing. Yeah, I was like, you know what, I need like just like the basics. I'm definitely adding a lot of simple pieces to my wardrobe, so I was like, you know what, I don't have like basic little belts, something I didn't really think about that I needed. I need hair accessories, so I ordered these little bows, and then these have the little on the back, so you can just slap it in there. I was gonna add these today, but to be honest with you, I kind of feel like they're a little bit too big for that style. Like, so anyways, I'm gonna see if they have smaller ones and order the smaller ones. But I got white, and then the black ones have a little rubber band on it, so you can just tie it wherever. But it's just something to add to your hair to give your whole look a little something different. I'll let you in on a little secret. If you need socks, Shein is a great place to get socks. You can get literal packs of 6 for like $2 or $3. And these are the perfect crew socks. They're very thin, all right? They're not thick socks. So I've ordered like 3 packs already. Definitely recommend these if you need socks. Yeah. I got little knee socks. I love the stripes. I think I'm definitely going to wear this with some of my little tennis skirts. I have a red and white tennis skirt, so I feel like this would be really cute with that for summer. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh my god, I love it. I love them. Black and white ones. And if you are like a Pilates girl, they have the grippy socks. Normally when you go places, they're like $10 and up for the Pilates socks, but these were, god, I feel like I spent like $1 on these. But workout stuff on Shein. So I got this because sometimes I work out at home instead of going to the gym, and I got this right here. This is a foam thing for your knees. If you have really bad knees like me, like they kill me all the time, and I can hardly get on my knees without them feeling like they're going to break off my body. So this is a little support for your knees. I have some cute little dresses. I don't know if you've watched my other videos, but I have some little like prissy flare out dresses, and I thought that some gloves would look really cute. So I ordered a pair of black ones. Let's see what they look like. And then I think they're supposed to be bunchy. Oh, stop it. Oh, okay. Okay, girl. Alright. I like it. Alright, so I decided that I was going to add some more, what's the word? Like dressy, casual work, you know, a little bit more of like a sophisticated adult style. Because I realized that I have a lot of like hoochie mama clothes or like a lot of crop tops and stuff like that. So I wanted to just get a few pieces to add to my wardrobe that you can kind of dress up, dress down, be casual, wear them in versatile ways. So I got this little blue number here. Now I did get this in a small, and I feel like I probably should have gotten it in a medium because I do like my stuff a little bit more oversized. But I mean, a small does fit. Now I will say though, the fabric is a little bit kind of noisy for me. I honestly would rather it not be like kind of noisy, but I'm hoping once I wash it, maybe it will kind of soften it a bit. But I just threw it on hangers so that way you can like see it. And then I got this little button down shirts. I just thought it would be cute with maybe some high-waisted jeans or like casual pants. Add one of these little belts to it, and you got yourself a cute little outfit. You know what I mean? I don't know if you remember this from one of my other videos. I think it was my Western t-shirt. I don't know which video it was in. But anyways, I got this in the red and white, and I loved it so much that I bought this in the blue and white checker. I think it is just adorable. I cannot wait to like do some styling videos where I put outfits together because I think this is just, she has so much potential. So many different ways that we can rock her. So I really like this. I got it in a size medium. Then we have this two-piece set. This one was going around on my For You page on things. Like I kept seeing girls with this outfit on. So it is a two-piece set. It's got shorts, and then it's got this top that has the slits on the side. So what I will say about this that I wasn't expecting, it is a thicker, heavier material than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit more lightweight. The shorts do run kind of big, like they're really long, and I got it in a small, and thank goodness I got it in a small and not the medium. I honestly could go to an extra small. So I feel like it does run like just more on the bigger side. So if you're gonna order something like this, just keep in mind you probably could go down like 2 sizes from what you think. But I will again do a try on haul for you so you can see what I'm talking about. When I say the bottoms are really big, like they're very long. So keep that in mind. I got this baby blue top. It is an off the shoulder number. Like, I thought it was really cute on the model. I will say it does look a little bit different than what I was picturing from the model. But I'll do a try on haul for you so you can see what everything looks like. We have this green dressy button down flowy shirt. See, I do like, you hear that? It's not really noisy, like that blue and white striped shirt. That thing is so noisy. This one, I like a nice soft shirt that you can't hear. I really like this one. It's just a simple type of design. It's got just enough, but not too much. You know, I am gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna do a try on haul for you. That sums up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, notification button, like it, comment, share with your friends, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.